Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello everyone, good afternoon here from UK. I'm just going to make this quick video just to give you an update of myself, because I haven't been able to make a vlog or do some video in the past 4 weeks due to loss of my one of the important family of mine. So that is why I haven't been able to do live streaming as well. And I'm hoping to feel much better this time, and I would like to and also I'd like to make continue to make more video. And at the moment I'm actually heading to work, and I just pulled over my car and just make a video just to use some of my time, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and take care. Hello, welcome back. I just arrived work, and I still got 10 minutes before I start my shift. And actually I'm still not feeling well. I've been like coughing nearly 4 weeks as well, but I feel good physically. It's just I still got a little bit of cough, and I'm gonna try my best to create more vlog whenever I can, and it would be really nice if I could do like daily vlogs, but at the same time I am working, and my shift is different. It's not fixed every week, so I work different days every week, and my days off is also different day every week. And also it's nearly winter now. It's only a few weeks time and it's gonna be winter, and also the weather is gonna change, and it's gonna get darker earlier, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon it will be like totally dark. So there will be a lot of changes on the weather on the way. So that's the problem during winter. You can't do much or go everywhere. It's people just prefer to stay at home. So what I'm going to do is maybe I just go out and visit some few places, and also I probably would focus more on live streaming well, this season is start to coming up, the cold season, and at the moment I'm still grieving for the loss of most important family members of mine, but I have to continue at the same time my small YouTube channel, because it's already here, and fortunately my channel is monetized, so I have to keep going. And also I'm hoping to make it better one day, to learn more and to get a better idea, to find a better content. I believe that I can do better, and I'm just finding the right moment. So I think it's about times that I got actually like 5 minutes left, so I'm going to end my video here, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank anyone who stick around and still support my small channel until this very moment. So but I've noticed as well that I have some viewers who haven't really subscribed to my channel, but they are still watching, so it would help a lot to grow my channel if you will subscribe my channel, and that would really appreciate it. It's very helpful if I have more subscribers. So I'd like to end my video here, and thank you everyone again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care, and God bless.